What's up, guys? Welcome to Bath and Shower Tile Ideas, episode 29. Let's show you what we're working with here. Here is the existing shower. Here is the new shower. This was builder's grade. So this was transformed from builder's grade to custom. This is your guide here. You can just feel the weight. There's the suctions. There's our mark right there. Add a little water in there. What's up, guys? Bath and Shower Tile Ideas, episode 29, part 2. Everything is finalized. We finalized the shower remodel and tub surround remodel. Let's show you how everything turned out. Here is the new shower. So this was transformed from builder's grade to custom. Let's talk about the build, waterproofing, prep, tile, grout, etc. The shower turned out absolutely beautiful. We will start with the field wall tile. Installed was a 12 by 24 porcelain. This is a wood look large format porcelain tile, white and gray. As you can see, the movement is subtle. Very clean, high gloss tile. Everything is extremely flat. Absolutely no lippage. We use Landberg tile leveling system for this entire build. Of course, we installed a new valve and trim kit. Let's jump in here really quick. Everything in here is square, from trim to the trim kit. We've got the handle, handheld, as well as the shower head here. Let's swing on over and show you the back wall. Again, everything is symmetrical. Grout lines in the middle. We started with fulls on the bottom. 1, 2, 3 fulls to the top of the niche. And continued with fulls all the way to the top of the shower. Beautiful recessed shampoo niche here. We've got glass and metal mosaic. We mitered the sides as well as the top. As you can see here, very clean, tight miters. And of course, solid surface for the sill. This is a dark gray quartz. Fantastic contrast, guys. We like this solid surface. It goes well with all of the movement in the porcelain. Solid surface on the bench as well. Let's take a quick look. We mitered both sides of the bench, bevel cut, whatever you want to call it. Of course, we have our layout flowing through the bench. Everything is grouted and sealed. The grout used was Prism. Grout color is Rolling Fog. Fantastic color, it just makes all grout completely disappear. Let's take a look at the pan. We've got cut flat river rock. Again, this is a Schluter shower, 100% waterproof seal system. Schluter on the walls, Schluter pan, Schluter curb, as well as drain kit. We've got a curb here. We like to cut down our Schluter curbs to 4 inches. So let's swing on over here. We're gonna come back in 5 to 6 weeks. We're gonna install tile on the floor. We're gonna rip out the cabinets, the top, of course the mirror. All of these old, ugly, decorative lights are gonna go, and we're gonna install new cabinets, solid surface, undermount sinks, faucets, decorative lights, new mirrors, etc. Paint this bathroom, all that good stuff. So I will provide an update video for this bath and shower remodel. But other than that, that's pretty much it for now, guys. This project took less than 2 weeks, from demo to plumbing to prep, waterproof, and tile. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. As usual, don't forget to subscribe for more bath and shower tile idea videos, and I'll see you on the next one.